This is so good that it doesn't even feel like it's healthy. It's packed with protein and will help you lose weight. This recipe is inspired by Chef Jacques Pepin. I'm gonna put in the description of the video a link to his video so you can see the original recipe. I changed the recipe slightly to make it healthier. If you are enjoying the video and want to support me, please make sure you subscribe, like, comment, and share the video with your friends. In a bigger pot at low heat, cook the bacon for about 5 to 7 minutes. You're going to need 1 teaspoon of chicken bouillon and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Mix well. Once the bacon is cooked about halfway done, add the onions and mix. Once the onions are soft, add the chicken breast and the Cajun sausage. Mix and cook for about 5 minutes. At this time, add the remaining of the ingredients: the drained tomatoes, the garbanzo beans with the water, the chicken bouillon and pepper, the cilantro, 1.5 cups of rice, and 1.5 cups of water. This is your opportunity to taste the broth and add more seasoning to make the food taste good. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of salt, about 1 teaspoon of granulated garlic, and about half a teaspoon of cumin. Mix and taste the broth again. This is your chance to add more salt if needed. At this point, mine is good. It doesn't need any more salt. Cover, bring to boil, and reduce to simmer for about 15 minutes. Divide into 6 equal portions, and we're ready to eat healthy. Thank you for watching, and I really hope you enjoyed this healthy dish.